Hi! So today's video is gonna be another makeup tutorial. I've just been in the mood for like bold eyeshadow right now. I feel like I honestly go through phases of just like wearing no makeup whatsoever, being super lazy, not wearing any eyeshadow for like a month, and then I'm like, hi, I want to play with colour. I think I did say this, but what is... okay, ignore this. I think when I tested this palette for the first time that I wanted to do another tutorial with it, because I did do a pretty boring, well not boring, but I did more of a wearable look last time, and I pretty much just used like the gold and the bronzier tones. So today we've obviously gone with the blue, you know, hint hint, with the t-shirt colour coordination. So yeah, that's what we've done for today's video, just a halo eye, very chilled, oh god. So yeah, if you want to see how I did this makeup look using this little palette here, then subscribe if you want to, give the video a thumbs up as well, and just keep watching. Okay, so I'm going to take the shade you know what, I'm just going to point to these shades because I don't want to botch the names. So I'm going to take the nice brown first, the soft transition colour, and we are going to do a halo eye, so I'm just going to put this pretty much everywhere in the crease from the inner corner to the outer corner as well. Obviously, because I'm doing a halo eye, I'm not kind of winging out the edges. I'm obviously just kind of doing it in circular motions, if you will. Then I'm going to take this red shade and I'm going to do the exact same what I just did, but kind of bring it a tiny bit lower and a bit more kind of in like the crease line, if that makes sense, so you can still kind of see the light brown kind of blended behind it. Start to bring that red down on the lower lash line. I'm gonna go in with this darker shade. It's like a plummy purple, but kind of like a brown as well. And then I'm gonna deepen up the halo situation even more. Okay, now we look like a very sick patient. We're gonna try and brighten this up a little bit, so we're gonna take the blue and this is just gonna fill in the gaps pretty much. I'm just gonna wet a brush, make it a bit more intense. And then for mascara, I'm going in with the Mascara by Revolution. I wanted something that's like super thick, like a really thick mascara, you know? Let's be a bit interesting and we'll do the rest of the face together as well. Okay, bronzer, I'm going to use this Fenty bronzer in Private Island. This is honestly, I'm obsessed with this. This was in my favorites video. I love this. I'd say it's easily become one of my favourite bronzers ever, for sure. It probably looks a bit more intense on camera because my light is like so white and so bright. It kind of washes my face out a little bit. That's why my face always looks a bit paler. So I feel like the bronzer looks a bit harsh on camera, but Honestly, it contours and bronzes so nice, and it honestly blends just perfectly. I'm obsessed. Okay, for blush, I wanted something to kind of tie in with some of the eyes. So, some of the eyes. Okay. Like the crease, I meant to say. So I'm going to take the Milani blush in Sunset Passion. Berry tones, kind of to go with the crease. I haven't been watching my videos long enough to remember this brush from when I tested it. Was it from Romwe? I just tested a load of like really like cheap like makeup brushes, and this was literally like one of my favorites from there. Maybe I should do like a favorite, like my best brushes, my favorite ones, because most of my favorite brushes, to be fair, most of my brushes in general are all affordable. Like most of them are, so I don't know if that's a video anyone wants to see. Okay, so for highlight, I'm going to use this. I haven't used this in so long. This is the Dose of Colours highlight, and it's the Soulmate highlight. I haven't used this in a long time. So I remember really liking it though. I don't know why I don't use it. So for lips, I'm filming my favorites video after I'm filming this. So like I'm using kind of like my go-tos at the minute, so I'm just going to use the Vow lip liner from Revolution, which needs sharpening. I'm going to use this Colourpop Ultra Matte Lip, and I'll leave the name in the description because I can't say it. Yeah, we're going to leave it. We're going to leave it. I was going to add my Hourglass gloss on top, but I'm kind of liking how it looks matte. Okay, let me try and sort my hair out. Oh, my hair just always looks worse whenever I try and make it better, but it's fine. So that is it. That's it for the video. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. But yeah, I just wanted to do something else with this palette just because it seems like a really good brand. So I should probably try more things from the brand. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial anyway. I was just in a mood to just play with some colour. So yeah, that's what we've done. So if you did like this tutorial, if you like this makeup look, then give the video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next video.